We're starting out with a 3.3 mile delivery, estimated time 17 minutes. It's a Moe's Southwest pickup. So we finna head over to Moe's and see what they got popping. I love it when I can pick up through the drive-thru. Order number one. Let's go. We're making that money. Hit that like and that subscribe button. Let's see. So the time right now is 11:50. We are scheduled until 2 p.m. So that gives us a full 2 hours. Thank you. You too. Now, since we are using the Earn by Time feature on the Dasher app, it may increase our distance that we travel, right? And it may also minimize the amount of orders we do, unless they start sending me stacks. If they send me stacks, we good to go. But if they don't send no stacked orders, it may be one at a time. And if I get one long distance delivery, 7 miles or more, that's gonna automatically put me in a situation where it's digging into my next delivery time. Looks like we're going over here to one of these little businesses right here. I don't know if they got access through the back, but it's a hand-to-me offer. Let's make sure we got the suite number and everything correct. Guys, we got $6.19, $3.59 base pay, $2.50 tip. Let's go. That's a great way to start. We starting off the right way, getting the right kind of customers. I'm mad as hell. Order number 2. Man, I cannot escape these long distance deliveries, bro. We got 10 miles burrito delivery going outside of my zone. At least we get an additional $2 for zone exit pay. At least that. 10 miles, estimated time 23 minutes. And I declined the one they sent me before this, man. The one they sent before this was 12 miles. No, 13.7 miles. I'm talking about they wasn't even using no Vaseline on that one. That one was McAllister's Deli. 13.7 miles away. That's going 3/4 of the, that's going literally past the middle of the next zone. 14 miles away. That's crazy. So we declined that one. I was like, man, ain't no way. My second order today, I ain't going no damn 14 miles away. But then they sent me this one, 10 miles. I'm like, man, I don't fucking love it. I really don't. But you know what? It's better than that 14-mile one. At least this one is all highway. And I still get the $2 extra. Because, man, goddamn. Y'all, this don't make no sense. This don't make no sense at all. The only good thing about this order is I love coming here. Shout out to my peoples, man. Make sure y'all say hi to them when y'all come by. That's the only thing that's good about this order. This is crazy. This man worked down at Worldwide Technologies. I guess, they be wanting that lunch. They order that Doordash. Hey, what can you say? What can you say? It ain't no stopping them. Not that I want them to stop. I just feel like if you this far away from all the merchants, no matter where they order from over here, it's gonna be a 10-mile drive. You should just take that into account. If it was me, I would not be ordering DoorDash every day for lunch. That's me personally. When I did work a W-2, I would leave and go get my food or call it in and have it picked up. If I did do delivery, we was pooling it together. So, I just don't understand, but it is what it is. We about to, I think this him right here. Yeah, we about to get this picture. Yep. There you go, boss. All right. Let me get a quick picture for DoorDash so they be happy. Boom. Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, you have a good one. You go right in here, sir. I'm gonna bag up and I'm gonna go this other way. Cause I ain't trying to be down here no longer. All right, we got our picture. I wonder how much this man tipped. I wonder. We got a $4 tip. And see, that's what I'm saying right there. I should be grateful for getting a $4 tip, right? I know that's what most of you would say in the comments right now. But what you gotta realize is, if this customer order every single day, this order is still gonna have a $4 tip on it every day. And some people may say, well, hey, I order every single day from a place that's 10 miles away. I got $9.60 on this offer because I got exit bonus of $2 and I got a higher base pay of $3.61. $4 tip. So I just made $9 for a 10-mile drive. That right there is already upside down. Not a profitable order. Already right there. That's not even counting the fact that I gotta drive 10 miles back, which I'm doing right now. So this is why customers that order every single day and live really, really far, they try to justify it by saying, oh, well, you wouldn't have no work if we didn't order. No, your order is not what keeps me having earnings, keeps profits in my pocket. This order is only being completed because my silly self decided to do a challenge. If I was just trying to straight up make money, this order would get skipped over every single time, because for that customer, me delivering to them is not profitable. In their mind, they want to order every single day, tip $4, and think they doing a service to the world. You're not doing no service to nobody but Doordash and your stomach. And I get it. You just at work hungry. You balling on a budget. But this is why I be trying to tell people, DoorDash is a luxury service for those who can afford it. If you work in a warehouse job over here on one of these factories on the side of the highway, you may be making enough to survive and do what you got to do. I used to work them jobs myself. But you better believe I was not ordering DoorDash every single day. Because guess what? When I was making $20 an hour, working 40 hours a week, and overtime, ain't no way I can afford spending $5-10 extra on top of the upcharged fees for food delivery. No. You know what I did when I had a W-2? I made me a sandwich and brought me a bag of potato chips that I bought from Sam's Club. I did that every single day for lunch. Maybe twice every 2 weeks I would, get something extravagant outside of the norm. Maybe pool in with a couple co-workers and get a order delivered that way. But never on an everyday basis, steady spending $20, $25, $30 every day on food for lunch, then an extra $4 in tip, but then want to say that the prices is too high. The order, I can't even decline the next one. I think that last order, matter of fact, let me see the screenshot. We spent 14 minutes on that last order, so that means I still got 45 minutes before I can even decline again. So whatever they send me next, I absolutely have to take. Order number 3, stop playing with me. We just got this right here. I'm pulling up right now, and I'm finna get in my secret parking spot on the side of the parking lot. What you know about that? This order going over to the college campus. Now, let me let these people go ahead. They don't know where they're going. This Qdoba is super slow, so maybe that's gonna work in my favor. They better not have the order ready today after they've been slow their whole life. Every single time I come here, they slow. Man, last time I came here for one bowl, took them 20 minutes to knock it out. I say, man, they need some help. Who is running the show up in here? I don't know. But yeah, we finna go see what's going on. Hopefully it's ready. I'm just trying to get these orders knocked out. I don't care about getting the most base pay. I care about knocking out as many orders as possible. Order number 3, stop playing with me. They had that thing ready, man. These people ain't never in their life had an order ready, but they want to have one ready today. Let me know in the comments below, which one do you prefer? Short distance deliveries with lower base pay, or high mileage deliveries with a higher base pay, closer to like $9 or $10 on earned by time? Which one is your preference? I will say it is kind of nice and refreshing getting that, $10 plus base pay when you have a stacked order and it's going 10 miles away. That is kind of refreshing, especially when the tip is like, $7 on each order, because it can turn out really good. You can make a quick, 25, 30 bucks in 40 minutes sometimes. But on the single offers, I don't really have as much luck. Uh-oh, is they sending me an add-on? Yes, they is. Okay, go to Panera for an additional half a mile. Yes, sir, we will be doing that. Let me go ahead and see if I can get a screenshot. Yes, we can. We can get a screenshot. So, a lot of times if you don't confirm the order, that gives you time to get an add-on. And while I was sitting here running my mouth, rambling, I didn't confirm the order. I just headed towards delivery like I always do. And we got lucky this time. We just got an add-on for Panera, going an additional 0.9. Those are the kind of add-ons I like. Because now we on EBT, we got an add-on. We already was heading to the first delivery, so the base pay clock was coming to an end. But now the base pay clock gets to keep on rolling, because we get, instead of heading to delivery, because we didn't confirm it, we heading to pick up number 2. So that leads more, it's a higher chance of this Qdoba order having a really small tip or no tip. It's a high chance now, because the simple fact that they stacked it with another order that was going the same place basically, yeah, it might have a really low tip on it. But now the base pay overall is gonna go up, because I got 2 orders. So that kind of compensates a little bit for them not tipping. But this is all speculation, mind you. It ain't nothing concrete yet. We don't know until we drop these off. But I tell you what, I'm definitely happy about having order number 4, because I ain't playing no more. This is Red Robin. Here go Panera right here. I'm the first one either now, because I don't want them to give me a bad rating, thinking I'm holding their order hostage, which I am. But since DoorDash sent me an add-on, you know, this is how I do it to protect my ratings. Let me know what you do to protect your ratings. Do you take a picture of the receipt? Do you click all the buttons when you on the stack? What do you do? Ooh, and Panera is packed too. This actually might work in my favor, guys. They got a full house up here. So they took so long on this dang Panera order, y'all. It's a good thing because I'm on earn by time. But man, I mean, I ain't never waited 20 minutes for macaroni and cheese and a sweet tea. Never in my life. That Panera, they need to get it together, man, because they absolutely suck. Now, you got to pay attention to your delivery times, and that's why it's important that you don't confirm the first order, because had I confirmed the first order, that would have got the timer rolling, and I probably would already be past the pickup time. Right now, I'm like 7 minutes away from the pickup time, and I'm good to go, because I'm 2 minutes drive time away. But you really got to make sure you're paying attention when you're doing those stacked orders, because Panera is one of the spots where they usually be on point. But for whatever reason today, they got it all jacked up, and they almost could have cost me a violation. Man, I'm mad as hell. We just got $20.74 for both trips. But I just missed a banger order, man. Messing around with these dumbass college kids on these dumbass DoorDash orders. I just missed a fire order on Spark, man. That mug was paying $35 for 10 miles. I'm hella mad, man. That was order number 4. I'm about to see if I can freaking try to get this order back, man, because, man, I knew I shouldn't mess around with these cheap-ass customers. The Qdoba customer tipped $1, and I'm glad I dropped their order off second, because they only tipped $1. At least the other customer tipped $4. We got a high-ass base pay because of Panera, but look at their ass. Taking all goddamn day, tipping $1, making me miss good orders. God damn. Order number 5, we got 0.8 at McDonald's. Look at that drive-through line, boy. That line is long. We getting 1 chicken Big Mac meal. Let's see, the pickup time is 3 minutes away. I'm straight salty about that Sam's Club order though, man. We sitting at 36 bucks. This is order number 5. At least we got 5 orders within this DoorDash shift. We still got like 40 minutes left. Dagmar. That's a crazy name. All right, let's go ahead and get up in here. At least this one ain't a hand to me. Let's go into this little business right here. We actually only went a half a mile away. I'm so disappointed, guys. How long we been dashing? I think we've been dashing for like an hour and a half. So I mean, let me look at the positive. At least we got 5 orders done in an hour and a half. I'm gonna see if I can try to knock out 5 more later on, because it seems like if I just go in spurts of 5, it's better off for me. Because trying to get 10 straight in a row, they be hitting me with some long distance deliveries. Oh, I got a Spark order coming in right now. This one ain't as good.
Thank you. I'll be better now.
Oh, this is for you?
This is for me.
Well, there you go.
Thank you. Have a lovely rest
No,
of your
thank
day.
you so much. Let me get a quick picture real quick. Boom. They love their pictures, you
Yes,
know.
I know they
DoorDash. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. Thank you. All right. You know what? Did he? No, I'm not gonna take that one. The one I had earlier was better. I'm just salty. It is what it is. All right. We're gonna just confirm this together. That lady seemed nice enough. Okay, she left a $2.50 tip, $5.25, $2.50 tip. I ain't even mad at it. We are sitting at $41.79. Been dashing for an hour and a half. 5 orders done. And we just got our next order. Looks like we heading back to McDonald's. We just got 3.3 miles McDonald's delivery, and it's going to the college campus. We're getting that $2 out of zone pay. So now we got order number 6. Hopefully my day gets a little bit better. Ooh-wee. What's that? That's SIUE. We at that good old college campus. And this one had to be a hand to me. These college kids got me messed up, man. Better be a tip on this order too, or we whoop somebody's ass. Who is this for? I don't even know.
Yeah.
Guess we're gonna find out. Moment of truth. Order number 6. Wow. Just wow. Just wow. That's crazy. That is crazy, boy. That is crazy. $4.91. $0 tip. Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus. Somebody help him. Somebody help him, Lord Jesus. Oh my goodness. Why they gotta do me like this?